There's this very popular exercise in coaching and personal development called the Wheel of Life, where you think about 8 different areas of your life, and some of them talk about 9, 10, or 12, and then you create goals and habits in all of those areas of your life. Now, this seems like a great idea, but I never use that in my coaching. Why? Because the result of this process is that you feel overwhelmed. You're trying to move in all directions at the same time. You're trying to optimize everything. You don't have a clear focus. And so it's hard to make real changes in your life and to be disciplined when you think this way. But when you focus your self-discipline on a single purpose, like sunlight focused through a magnifying glass on a single object, look out, you become unstoppable. We all have multiple areas of our life that we need to take care of. But when we focus our self-discipline on that most important goal, that most important purpose or aspiration, then we feel in the flow, then we feel unstoppable. And there's nothing like it.